Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and I'm gonna basically show you guys how I failed twice at doing the whole floating candles suspended ornament thing. Yeah, I messed up twice, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did that, and watch till the end of the video because ultimately I'm gonna show you how I fixed it and how I came up with such a lovely result. Okay, so first things first, you get these little beads. They're teeny tiny, and what you're supposed to do is put them in water. They absorb the water, and how the process is supposed to work is our little ornaments are basically supposed to sit on top of the little balls here that absorb water, but they're just clear, so you're not supposed to see them, so it looks like they're just suspended, and it looks really dope. But I messed up. First thing I did wrong is, well, I used these tiny glasses. Yeah, you need a big vase to pull this off, or very little beads. So I recommend a big vase. Second thing I did wrong is I added my ornaments before my beads were mature. So yeah, don't do that. Don't be like me. So this is how it looked, and this is ultimately how it ended up. It was like, woo, yay, that looks so pretty, right? Like, oh, I thought I did something. I thought I was where I needed to go. I put my little candle in there, and I said, yep, I did that. Yep, I did that. Look, I even got it lit and everything. Looks so nice until I woke up the next morning and, oh my God, looked like this. No water to be seen, no suspended animation, and my little balls were everywhere. So yeah, so I finally got the big vase, right? And I'm just picking up some of these beads so we can get this party started and I can fix it, because I thought my only problem was that I was using these small little cups instead of a big vase. Now, while that was my first problem, it was not my only problem. My only problem is I kind of just didn't do it in the proper order, and I didn't realize that this process kind of takes time. It's not like a one and done. So I dumped all my beads and ornaments into my big vase and added some water, and I thought surely this would fix my issue. Surely it's gonna be perfect now. But as you can see, all my ornaments are floating to the bottom of the vase. Yeah, no, like it it totally lost. Yeah, it lost it. This is a fail, right? Fail. Look, sadly floating to the bottom. This isn't it. All right, so this is how it's supposed to go, guys. I restarted my project. I have some new little beads in here, and it's in water. So unfortunately, I forgot to film a lot of the process, because this takes time for the water to be absorbed by the beads. So here I am with the process. And basically what you want to do is you want to add the beads in the water and put your ornaments on top of your beads as you go. So your beads are sitting on top of the water. You see me moving the beads there. I'm moving them, or excuse me, you see me moving the ornament there, and yeah, they're sitting on top of the beads. So basically the best way to do it is just kind of add the ornaments as you go. So do a little bit of water, a little bit of beads, give it a chance to mature, then put your ornaments, and then add more water, add more beads, so on and so forth. That's what I'm doing. All right, so I'm pretty much at the top here. All my beads have absorbed the water. They're nice and big. So I'm putting my ornaments in there. So I had been doing the layers, and now I'm just adding the last few ornaments. And as you can see, I'm just kind of moving them around, pushing them down so they look like they're suspended and they're not so clumpy. You see I'm stirring it here. This is a really good way to get rid of like the clumps and the chunks and make the distribution look more even and natural. And again, I'm just pushing down the beads as they sit on top of, I'm just pushing down the ornaments as they sit on top of the beads, trying to fill in that empty space, and that is basically how it goes. So yeah, the most important part is to make sure you get your beads expanded properly, and then you can use your ornaments how you wish and push them around and move them around exactly how you want them. My mistake was thinking that this was going to be more of a natural, organic process, And nah, it's not. Now, if you have some issues adding your ornaments, just add a little bit of extra water to your beads and it just gives you the space to like move around a little bit, you know? So that is where I left it. I was really happy with the way it looks. I'm adding my little floating candles. Of course, you can get any of these supplies at Amazon. So yeah, and while we're watching, please make sure you like the videos and subscribe. So here is our final result. Awesome. It looks so pretty. So don't make the mistakes I did. Take your time, guys. Take your time and manipulate your little ornaments how you see fit. And this is ultimately how it ended up with my other holiday decor. If you're interested in those gift baskets, you'll see them in the description box. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was absolutely my pleasure making it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye and happy Valentine's Day.